Hello, and welcome to another update video about BNB. I think BNB looks very much correlated to Bitcoin at the moment, at least what's going on down here. We still have the situation that we count the move to the downside of this 17th of March high as a WXY correction, where we're now in the Y wave, and in the Y wave we have an ABC, which would need one more low to complete. Yeah, it would need one more low, and that's pretty much the same situation as like with Bitcoin. So far, BNB over the last few weeks has followed nicely our count, reacted to the resistance areas here, didn't go above this resistance area, and yeah, we're now waiting just for one more low. But bear in mind, it is now in the trend reversal area for this wave 2. It can turn around at any time. And we just need to be ready, okay? Because it could do at any time. Today also a bit of a rally here, but this is just a 3-wave rally so far. So nothing game-changing. And ideally, again, one more low. That wave 5 here would probably play out as an ending diagonal. And it's a count that is very nicely readable. Yeah, I can recognize the structures. And it's one of the clearest setups at the moment, in my opinion, out there. In crypto. IMX is another good one. I'm not telling you like they are, like they will definitely hold, but if I tell you that I like a chart, it just means I can recognize the structure well. It is nicely readable. But if I say I like a chart, it's only temporary. So if we break support, which is here $283, I don't like the chart anymore, okay? So that's sort of the mindset. But at the moment, it's a fairly clear structure. It just needs one more low, and it's a bit stubborn in coming down here. It doesn't make it easy. So buyers are coming in, right? But they're still sellers, so any rally is being sold off at the moment. Important would be that it's actually holding below that wave 1 low. So it needs to hold below $318. Otherwise, you get a cut with wave 1, and then we could explore, is it possible as a diagonal pattern? But that's sort of the first meaningful resistance. And so that's important. What else is important? So it needs to stay below that level. But if it breaks above that level, yeah, and sustains there, then, because until then it could just be a higher 4. Then we could explore the idea if this is just a B wave. So what's possible is that the A wave, which was made on the 21st of April, actually only sits down here. The B wave is still going to happen. That could be quite a high B wave. And we could then get a C wave afterwards. So you get something like that, WXY, but in the Y wave, A, B, C. Okay, so some people might count that as a WXYXZ. But the forecast would be that the C wave has 5 waves, so it's not a WXYXZ. And also these structures don't really exist. They are just, they never really turn up. But yeah, that's a possibility. I'm not telling you if we, ideally, if we make one more low, then I have confidence. If we turn to the upside now, then I would be very cautious and would say, okay, probably this is just corrective. But then again, if we make 5 waves up of the low, and get 3 waves down, that could be another tradable setup and would indicate we have bottomed indeed. But yeah, anyway, we are in the trend reversal area, so a rally from here wouldn't be surprising. And then we just need to look at the structure. If it's going to be in 5 waves, that would be bullish. And then a 3-wave pullback would be another trade setup to trade the next rally. But below $283, this setup is likely going to fail. And we will then probably, have to say hello to $140, $150. Okay, that's my update about BNB. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.